my dear net aspirants, welcome back to yet another video session of our channel High Point, where you will get enough and ample chronologically arranged study materials for your UGC NET JRF English language and literature. So like you can see, today's video is going to be about John Webster, yet another Jacobian playwright, and he lived from 1578 and 1634, as you can see. So like you are sharing and subscribe to my channel YouTube, I'm very thankful for that. And yet you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon too. So like you are following in my YouTube channel, you can follow in my Instagram page, where my ID is Ligimarian, and it's right here where I'm sharing lot more free study materials related to NTA, UGC, NET, JRF in the form study cards, in the form of carousels, in the form of small videos, reels, stories, lot more things. And the best part is that you can save all of them into your account too. Okay, so that's the best part about Instagram. So if you are also having an Instagram page, so then don't wait to follow me there. You immediately follow me there and have the benefit of free materials that I am sharing there. Along with the Instagram page, I have a WhatsApp group in which I am sharing news and updates related to NTA, UGC, NET, as well as some study materials and also daily quiz question and its answer there too. So if you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can obviously go to the description box. I have shared a link there. If not, you can message me in this given number directly. I will share the link to you and you can join whenever you want. More than this, what is useful for you and what will save your time and what will make you to have a systematic and committed study possible for you for your UGC NET JRF English language and literature ventures is that to visit my website www.highpoint.in, in which you can have the free trial and the demo materials, and also you can see what we have provided there, the subtopics, how we have divided the entire UGC NET or NTA UGC NET syllabus for you, and what all things we have given there. See, if you are studying on your own, then even then it's a help for you to know whatever things that you have to study and how we have arranged chronologically, and you can follow the exact thing in order to have the order of things that you need to study. Because how it is important, because at least 4 to 5 questions are there for you to arrange something in chronologically, either works or authors or ages or some groups, literary groups or clubs or movements. So like that, arranging chronologically is a major question, type of question in our question paper. So studying chronologically is also important, because after studying everything randomly, then you start to learn chronologically or using some order, then that's a hateful thing to do, or that's a huge mistake if you are doing random studies. That will only make your time a waste. Okay, so I don't want you to waste your time, so come and visit my website and know what we have provided there, because I have also given 15% off there in every other course where if you want to subscribe, because I don't want you to wait for the next NTA UGC the notification of exams, because you can start learning today itself. Why then waiting? Okay, so start learning early, because that will help you to cover the entire syllabus and also revise them as many times as possible. It has many benefits, guys, so believe me. And don't do random studies. That's a request from me if you are studying your own too. And if you are interested in joining the course, you can obviously WhatsApp to me and know what are the 2 bonuses that we are providing there. So once you join either of the courses, we are not charging anything extra for our weekly test now. That will happen every Saturday, and the topics are previously announced already. And also you can have a personalized study guide once you have joined the course within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so that's how we are providing 2 bonuses along with the courses that we are offering. So moving on, this video is going to be a very short video, and there are not much about John Webster, but since he is an important writer and we have learned, or we are studying him about in our MA syllabuses, so that's why I have included a bio about him, an individual video about him. So John Webster was born in London in 1578, and he studied at the Merchant Taylor School. His father was a merchant, so that's why he studied at the Merchant Taylor School. And later Webster was employed as a playwright in the theatre company of Philip Henslow. So he worked as a playwright in the company of Philip Henslow. See, maybe this can be asked in a question. We never know that from where these UGC net people, they will pick the questions and they will ask us to answer. Okay, that's why I have given the minute details as well. He started as a playwright by collaborating with Dekker, Rowley, Ford and Heywood in plays. See, he has more or less collaborated with every other contemporary playwrights of his time. Okay, Dekker, Rowley, Ford and Heywood. Webster's first individually written play was Devil's Lawcase, a tragic comedy. So Webster's first individual work was a tragic comedy which was titled as The Devil's Law Case. Later he was composed some of the finest Jacobian tragedies, and all of us learned, or we are going to learn, or we are learning his one of the finest tragedy titled as Duchess of Malfi. He mainly created melodramas and revenge tragedies. In Jacobean era especially, we can see that most of the playwrights, they have produced revenge tragedies. See, take the case of Changeling, Duchess of Malfi and many more. Okay, and Webster died in 1634. Elizabethan theatre rapidly declined after his death. Okay, now let's see Webster's major works. Okay, Caesar's Fall. Caesar's Fall came out in 1602 with Drayton, Dekker and Heywood. He collaborated with while he was producing this. Then Lady Jane. I have seen couple of questions about Lady Jane, and I have seen this title in the options that are there in the question. So please understand that Lady Jane is a work, is a play by whom mainly by Webster, and he collaborated with Heywood while writing it, and it came out in 1602 again. And Westward Ho, Northward Ho, both of them he collaborated with Dekker, and Westward Ho he wrote it in 1604 while Northward Ho in 1605. The White Devil. Okay, so the White Devil is an important work by him, and White Devil he composed between 1608 and 1609, and this play centered on Victoria Corobanas. So about the White Devil we will have a separate session, separate video. So I'm just telling the the frame of the story. So the White Devil centered on a character known as Victoria Corobana and the Duke of Bracciano, who are in adulteral relationship. That means Victoria is a married woman while Duke of Bracciano is also a married man, but they are having an affair, they are having an adulterous relationship, and the Duke murders both Victoria's husband and his own wife. Okay, and they got married, and finally the culprits were killed and justice restored. So that's how the frame story goes. Then the Devil's Law Case came out in 1610. Then the Duchess of Malfi. The Duchess of Malfi came out in 1613, and it revolves around the widowed Duchess who marries her steward. So a Duchess is there, Duchess of Malfi, the title character, and her brothers prevented her to marry again, but she secretly married to her own steward below her rank, and when her brothers knew about it, they killed both of them, but the evil characters fall at the end of the play. So the evil characters, one went mad, the other also got killed. The next work by him, by Webster, is Anything for a Quiet Life. He has written it in 1621 in collaboration with Middleton, and the Fair Maid of the Inn came out in 1625, and he collaborated with Massiner and Ford while composing it, and A Cure for a Cult He collaborated with Haywood and came out in 1625. So these are the major works. So if you are actually making a note out of this video, then that's great. Now I think that's it. That's about John Webster. See, there is nothing more relevant about Webster. This is all that you need to know about Webster. And about the White Devil and Duchess of Malfi, we will have a separate individual videos about them that will be followed by this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we have where we have actually going chronologically according to the authors actually. Okay, chronologically we are going, and we are having a comprehensible and we are having a sequence of videos here that will be helping you in your UGC NET JRF ventures about NTA UGC NET English language and literature. And here are the platforms that I am available. My website is there. Don't forget to visit it, because a 15% off is going on. I don't want you to lose it and you wait for the next NTA UGC NET notification at JRF notification and waste your time. And also, if you are determined to have your NET JRF in 2022, then why not start studying early? Okay, so and don't forget to follow me in Instagram, because there I'm sharing lot of free study materials, access to study materials, and you can save it or share with your friends, and you can come to my ID whenever you want, and come to my page and you can have it whenever you want. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, then don't forget to message me in this number or go to the description box and click the link and join it. Okay, and the link to my website is also available there, so you can click it and easily go there. Or if you are typing the link address, then you have to use Chrome for an easy passage. Okay, so that's all about it. That's all about John Webster. I hope this was this was useful for you, and mention your queries and suggestions and major takeaways in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to make any urgent new videos about regarding NTA UGC NET JRF English language and literature, any other further topics that you wanted to hear from me. So that's all about it. Meet you in the next video session. Until then, bye bye and happy learning.